Good morning, students. I'm your chemistry teacher Rajiv Kumar, class 6, subject chemistry, lesson number 1. What is chemistry about? Now, here we will discuss summary of the first video about related lesson number first. What is chemistry about? And already picture given is here. First picture also related to laboratory apparatus, common laboratory apparatus. Another picture related to periodic table, and third one picture also related to matter. About here, see and observe. And now question answer also in this part we will see and observe you. Now I will start part 2 with previous part first summary. Let's see and observe carefully. First of all, I will start now here. Previously with summary given topic. Now here, what is the chemistry about? Again, now here previously I had discussed substance, another point transformations. So what is the substance? Anything that takes up space and has mass. Something that case it is to have weight is called matter. Now question also given is here. Why does the air differ from the water and the pen from a pencil? Answer is here, because of the kind of matter as the substance they contain. Very simple, we will see and discuss now. All previously I had discussed. See and observe carefully. So this is substance. Do you understand about given is here paragraph? And observe first of all already substances. Another amendment point is here. See and observe with next. Things around us made of matter. So first of all now here given picture you will see observe matter. Yes, matter. What matter now about here? Yes, that plastic box, another plastic bottle also here, and ceramic cup and plate also here. So all are made of matter. We will say very simple. Observe. Transformation previously I discussed previously already, and or a kind of changes. Transformation or a kind of change take place every moments. They are of two kinds. One is the physical, another chemical. Previously I had discussed physical. In a physical change there is no change substance. Okay, now see the given example as a question. Now here see and observe. Question: is there are change in substance when ice melts, water freezes, and now water boils? Other way we will say to form water vapor. Water boils to form water vapor. Answer is very simply. Now here is answer. No, the substance remains. No, the substance remains water in all these changes. So there are physical changes. See and observe carefully. Next, chemical reaction. Previously I had discussed about here. Yes, see and observe given paragraph. Chemical reaction, chemical change in a substance. We say chemical reaction has taken place when the carbon, sulfur or cellulose one chemical reactions take place. Another way we will see now here. Chemical, a substance formed by or used in a chemical reaction is called chemical. Example, common fertilizer. Do you understand? Urea, diammonium phosphate and potassium chloride are all chemical. See and observe. Next, how chemistry evolved. Human beings have continuously made effort to lead a better life. So they have searched for medicine in an order to cure disease. Now, question era in Egypt also in ancient time. So that time so many invention had developed by the another way. So about that time the Indians too work with metals, especially iron. Yes, more scientific work started from the 8th century. Now see and observe by the both theory already we will discuss now here according to see and observe. Next, alchemy. Before the chemistry of the today, the modern chemistry, there was the alchemy. The word alchemy was derived by the Arab from the Greek Egyptians word chemia. Alchemy was mainly practiced by the Arab 16th centuries. So already previously I had discussed alchemy. Now here, yes, according we will see given paragraph already written is here. So do you understand that word come out from, yes, Greek Egypt's word chemia. Okay, now we will see. Now this time as a chemistry. See and observe. Next, according to previous given point of also here, first theory, now that time was converting cheaper metal in gold. Now all these claims were proved false. The alchemist failed because their attempt were scientifically wrong. Another paragraph now here written. The Indians had extracted iron much before that periods. You will see now this time, yes, the quality of Indian iron and steel was very well that time. Well, and have you seen the iron pillar nearby the Qutub Minar in Delhi? Yes, that it was made 44th century AD, 24-foot high pillar, no sign of rusting because the iron is very pure. See and observe. Next, yes, this iron situated where? Now the iron pillar in Delhi nearby Qutub Minar. So Qutub Minar, yes, see, observe carefully this type of iron pillar. Now iron pillar made in 44th century. Yes, or if you will see this iron pillar, no sign of rusting because it is very pure. Okay, now we will already I had discussed about this previously. See and observe carefully. Next, searching for the elixir of life. Second point, according to theory, searching for the elixir of life. Human beings have always wanted to live long, so alchemists search for the elixir of life. Yes, it's mean that elixir is an imaginary liquid that would cure all disease and help a person live long. Experiments were made, obviously without success. See and observe. Next, why alchemists fail? I will repeat again my word. Previously I had discussed the very basic of alchemy were incorrect. Everything is made up of four substances: earth, fire, air, water. For 17 onward, scientists began to discover substance that four. Another way we will say now here the another line. The four elements theory was disproved, and now this was the origin of modern chemistry. So now my dear students, see and observe carefully. Next, the beginning of modern chemistry. First point why we will discuss now here. Lavoisier found that a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen explode when the ignite and water drops are formed. Another second point, oxygen had been prepared earlier by the Presley, but was the one by Lavoisier. We will say now here. And another commitment also, do you understand? We will repeat according. Hydrogen was first obtained by the Robert Boyle and oxygen by Presley. So several elements were discovered and today number is 118. So another point is already written here. So now we will see, I will repeat again, several elements, third point now here, were discovered and today the number is 118 or so. So now according to now here, why the symbol now H for hydrogen, O for oxygen, and for nitrogen, C for carbon, S for sulfur, Fe for iron, Ag for silver, Cu copper, Au gold, etc. So many symbol for related elements now here. When two or more, and the last point now here, two or more elements combined together, a compound is formed. Example, water. Equation also here, if you will see, I will write down here. Yes, now H2 plus O equal to H2O. Yes, see and observe. So equation also written is here, S2O. Yes, my dear student, S2O. We will see and observe and discuss next. See, observe. Next. Classifications of elements. By the 19th century, a large number of elements had been discovered. Now here by the John Dalton, picture already given here. John Dalton was born 6 September. Previously I had discussed my video 1766 in England. Dalton laid the foundations of modern science, and he gave atomic theory in 1803. See and observe next. Mendeleev, already previously I had discussed about the Mendeleev. Mendeleev was great scientist. He discovered, other word we will say, Mendeleev presented a table called periodic table of elements. Periodic table divided into group and period. Now here we will discuss, previously I had discussed, so I will repeat again. Yes, see and observe. The concept of atom and molecules in 1803, Dalton gave the concept of atom. Atom, the smallest parts of element is made of, is an atom. All atom of elements are similar, but the atom of different elements are different. An atom may combine with other atoms of the same elements to form a molecules of the elements. So previously I discussed, now I repeated here. See and observe carefully. Next. Now see, you can see how atoms are arranged in molecule in figure already. First molecule related to here hydrogen, another oxygen, another water. molecule are here. See and observe carefully. First of all, you will see hydrogen. Now here H, another H. See, and oxygen, if you will see oxygen combined together, another C, and water. Now here, so already do you know understand hydrogen, this symbol, another oxygen symbol. So now water, so we will use here again, yes, water, yes, first is another water combined together here, oxygen with hydrogen. Now another H O, another H. See, so we will say here, explain for water, yes, H plus H and plus O. Another way we will say, yes, H 2 O equal to H2O. Yes, according to picture you will see this is, yes, O, another H, another H. So is very clearly this is combined together. Now here what happened that, now here 2H atom of one combined together, and another with one oxygen atom are here. So combined together a molecule of water. Next, see and observe. Now in this second part, part 2, I will discuss now here periodic table. Yes, table. We will discuss now here periodic table of elements. Yes, now here my dear student, periodic table divided into 4 parts, S, P, D, F. Yes, clearly you will see this periodic table divided into S, P, D, F. S, this is S, another is P. According to me you will see and observe, and this is D, and another is F. So this is S, P, D, F. So periodic divided into 4 parts, S, P, D, F. So this is called another way S block, another P block, another D block, another F block. Only for another detail we will discuss another classes about periodic table. So now here only for your starting you will see only this is periodic table divided into 4 parts, S, P, D, F. S block, P block, D block and F block only. Okay my dear student, very shortly you will revise, otherwise will be, yes, not easy. So see and observe carefully. Periodic table divided into 4 parts, S, P, D, F. S, P, D, F, what is the S block, P block, D block, F block. Okay, yes, but now in detail we will say, yes, another S, P, D, F. See and observe next picture shortly, simple way. See and observe next. Yes, already given answer by block wise. Now here, yes, top to downside, yes, periods. Now periodic table has 4, now here 7 periods. Periodic table has 7 periods and 18 groups. Groups are here 18 groups. Now you will see from starting to here 18 groups. But first of all, already written here, block wise you will observe S block, P block, this is D block, F block in a already circle. Alright, so short here in a circle. Yes, whole circle is already is here. S, P, D and another is F. Okay, my dear student. See, observe carefully. So some elements are also here. Number of, I hope, do you understand number of period of periodic table? Yes, do you? 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Now here. Is that clear? I will repeat again. Number of periods? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, is that clear? Next. And number of groups? 18. How many? 18. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the last 1 to 18. We will say another group of 18. Yes. Yes, now here already showed. And in detail we will discuss next class for related periodic table. You will read another class. Higher classes you will read about in a detail. But now here is for your starting. See and observe carefully. Next. Now here. One comment also here. See and observe. In periodic table, every total element are here 118 and maybe another 4 also. So now previously showed my previous video already informed 118. Is that clear? So now what is this? This is now, yes, sign of symbol are here written. Okay, so first element hydrogen, second is here helium, and number of element are here. So we will discuss next video about in more detail of periodic table. See and observe very simply now here in this only. So do you understand? You will revise now here only. Periodic table divided into 4 blocks. Okay, S block, P block, D block and block. And periodic table divided into group and periods. 18 groups and 7 periods. Is that clear? I hope. Only sufficient information about here. See and observe. Next. So in this picture we will discuss about the common laboratory apparatus. Do you understand here? So many boxes are here. One is related picture also, conical flask. Another also here, boiling flask. So first I will repeat again. Yes, boiling flask, conical flask, beaker, funnel, yes, C, another test tube, yes, C, you will see test tube stand, yes, and now here C, test tube holder, yes, you will see crucible with cover, another you will see evaporating dish, another name China dish, you will see now here watch glass, you will see here, yes, another, please check and see and observe, third one, yes, stand, puree, stand. Another is burner, Bunsen, burner. Another where is and now. Now tripod, stand also here. See and observe carefully. I hope do you understand clear common laboratory apparatus by name already written in your book, but not is here in not clear in picture. But see and observe for knowledge carefully. I hope you understand. See and observe. Now we will discuss here according to question answer. See carefully and observe. First of all, exercise. Yes, objective questions. Choose the correct options. First of all, in which of the following does the substance change? The answer, do you understand? The burning of paper. First answer already written is here. The burning of paper. Second is freezing of water. Third is melting of ice. And another D, the formation of water vapor. The answer is, which is the following of does the substance change? The burning of paper. That right answer. Another second, which of the following if physical changes? Some point are here. The cooking of food, the digestion of food, the formation of water vapor, the grow of plants. The answer is very clear. The formation of water vapor. I will repeat again. Which of the following physical changes? The formation of water vapor. Is that clear? Physical change. Before and after, same. Water will be there. And third, who gave the periodic table of elements while second Mendeleev, Dalton, Lavoisier? The answer is Mendeleev. And the last now here, fourth, who is the considered to the father of modern chemistry? Mendeleev, Dalton, Lavoisier and Presley. The answer already now here is C. And next we will discuss here now period, now way by way. Now you will see fill in the blanks. First of all, see, chemistry is the science of, this is related to definition. Chemistry is science of, yes, see and observe, substances and their transformation. So already written, first is substance and another is second. You will write down now here transformation. Second point is here, anything that occupy and has is matter. The answer is anything that occupy mass. No, you will write now here what? Space. Has mass is matter. Anything that occupy space and has mass is matter. And another, substance does not change in a, yes, from here answer is physical changes. Already tick mark is here. Another, a substance change in a, tell me 4 point, a substance change in a change. What? Substance change. Previously, third point I will repeat again, a substance does not, but now 4 point, a substance change in a change, chemical. So answer is chemical. A substance changes in a chemical change. And fifth point is now here, alchemist could not change. Yes, water, cheap metal to cheap metal to, yes. Do you not understand? previously I had given. So answer is here base. Alchemist could not change base metal into gold. Do you understand base metal? Yes, previously I had discussed iron. So alchemist could not change base metal into gold. 6. Mendeleev. Now here 2 commandment already written here. Answer is commandment now here, and the last commandment. Mendeleev classified the element. And now at the last, true and false. Write T for true, F for false. But you will write now full word also here for commandment. A substance is transformed after a chemical change. True. A second point, alchemist changed iron into gold. False. Third point, Dalton classified the elements into 18 group. False. 4 point, Presley gave the atomic theory. False. I will repeat again, true and false. A substance is transformed after a chemical change. True. Alchemist changed iron into gold. False. Dalton classified elements into 18 group. False. Presley gave the atomic theory. False. I will repeat, and the last, Presley gave the atomic theory. False. Because picture is not clear, but I will write down already now here another picture also. So now here already I had written proper answer for you. You will write in your book according to this. So already bold letter printed the answer, every question answer, every fill in the blanks, every true or false statement. So please write down in your book. Okay, in your book given bold letter answer. Only book you will write on your book with a lead pencil. Don't use pen in book. Okay. Take next C and upper side also. Now here also take. You will write down with the help of pencil, lead pencil. Okay. Take in your book. Write the answer in your. You will write down the answer in your book in this exercise. Next, here you will see, observe carefully. Now, some commandment also here. You will revise one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 4. Previously I had discussed. So all are shortly point of here. You will revise, you read and observe carefully. I will write down now according given. Short question answer are here. See and observe. Observe. First question. First, now here we will discuss short question answer. So already here, see and observe. Next. Yes, I will write down short question answer here. Yes, you will write down this question answer in your copy as it heading and question answer with a black pen, and answer, yes, already here blue color written. So you will write down as it. First of all I will discuss define chemistry. Answer, chemistry is the science of substances and their transformation. Another question second, what happened to a substance after a physical change? Another question here, what happens in a chemical change? Answer, a substance does not change in a physical change but does so in a chemical change. Is that clear? Both commandment are also here. Question number third, what is matter? anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. As it, you will write down full. Anything that occupies space and has mass, a in a bracket, a quality that gives it weight is called matter. I will repeat again. Anything that occupies space and has mass, a quality that gives it weight, a quality that gives it weight, bracket close, is called matter. Is that clear? According to given here written form, question answer as it, you will write down in your fair copy. Start from here. First of all, in your copy, write down lesson number 1. Short question answer. Lesson number 1. What is chemistry about? Now start heading again. Short answer questions. Next line you will write down question number 1. Define chemistry. Write down answer. Question number 2. Another question, write down answer. Question number 3, as it, write down answer as it. So according given question answer already I had discussed. So same you will write down in your fair copy. Next, see and observe another remaining question. I hope confirm this short question answer. Space and you will write down. Next, see and observe. Another remaining question are here. Question number 4. What is base metal? Previously I had discussed. Yes. So now see and observe carefully that answer. What is the base metal? Iron and copper are base metals. Another we will say previously cheaper metals. So iron and copper are base metals. Question number 5. What is why the elixir of life? Yes, answer, elixir is an imaginary liquid that would cure all disease and help a person live long. An elixir of life would make a person immortal. Is that clear? Question number 6 and the last. Who was the first to prepare a hydrogen? Who prepared oxygen for the first time? The answer, in 17th century, first Robert Boyle prepared a gas which as later identified as hydrogen. In 18th century, Lavoisier identified hydrogen and oxygen as, now here I will repeat again. Yes, in 18th century, Lavoisier identified hydrogen and oxygen had been prepared earlier by first Presley but was identified by Lavoisier. You will write down as it this question answer in your fair copy. See and observe. Next. Question number 7. Who disproved the four element theory of the Greeks? Lavoisier proved that hydrogen combined with oxygen to form water, and so water is not an element. He disproved the four element theory. Question number 4. Who put forward the periodic table? Answer, a number of elements are generally discovered, and when the number become large, Mendeleev classified them and presented the periodic table. And the last question, who gave the atomic theory? John Dalton gave the atomic theory in 1803. So my dear student, this is short question answer has completed. Now all, so you will write down question number 1 to 9 short question answer as a in your fair copy properly. Question written in a, you will write as a question you will write with black pen, and answer you will write with blue pen as it given example. See and observe. I hope today completed my work according short question answer. Thank you my dear students. See and observe carefully. Thanks.